You guys, I have a guilty pleasure. Nearly every night, I'm going to share it with you. Maybe I'm going to share it with you. Crap. I'm digging through all my stuff real quick. The only thing I have for a mug is the collapsible to see the Summit cup. We'll make it work. Got some water heating up. I don't know if you guessed it or not, but hot cocoa with whole cream added to it. Yes. Let's go. I'm just gonna wait for the water to heat up. Okay, the water got hot. That's beautiful. Now we're going to take some of our hot cocoa mix. We're going to take quite a bit. What's that, 5, 6 spoonfuls? I like it rich. Okay. Okay, hot water. Give it a mix. And now we're going to add some whole cream. Oh, looky there. Stir that in. Oh boy. Like I said, guilty pleasure. All right, here it is. Oh, yeah. That'll help me sleep good tonight. That was a good night. Look at the frost